Hello, my name's Tyler, and today I'm going to show you how to use Ozempic. Once you've gotten the pen out of the box, the first step is to go ahead and open it up and take a look to make sure that the liquid in here is clear. Checking the expiration date here. As you can see from this one, you definitely wouldn't want to use it because it expired 3 years ago. First thing you got to do is prime it. And what I mean by prime it is to make sure that you get that needle on right. So the two little dots here are actually the amount that is used to do the priming. When you have your needle and you take off this back piece, there's actually going to be two pieces in there, the outer piece and then a little inner tube. So go ahead, when you take the back off, screw that on there and then remove that outer tube and remove that inner tube to expose the needle. To prime the device then, you'll just press this button here, and when you press it on those two little dots, you should see a little drop come out, and that shows you that you've primed your Ozempic and your needle's on there correctly. Go ahead and wash your hands for at least 20 seconds and choose what site you're going to use for your Ozempic. Now it's best to do at least 2 inches away from the belly button. When you've chosen your site, and remember to always rotate your sites every time you do it, go ahead and open up your alcohol swab and swab the area that you're going to do. You'll want to set the actual dose of your Ozempic that you're going to be using. So if your doctor told you to do 0.25, you'll want to point it on the 0.25. If your doctor told you to do 0.5, you can see that 0.5 shows up there. So once you've set it to the correct amount, let's say it's 0.25, and the needle's on there, that is when you'll want to go ahead and inject the needle into it, onto the site that you chose, and then press the button and wait at least 6 seconds for the medication to go into your body. After 6 seconds of holding down that button, go ahead and remove it from your body. And now from here, if you're done with this pen, you can go ahead and place it in the sharps container. If you don't have a sharps container, you could use like an old laundry one if you had a Tide Pod container. Just make sure when you're done with that to duct tape it up so nobody gets into it. And from there, you have successfully put in the Ozempic. Congratulations, you made it. Thank you.